Check out number 16. Stupid drivers present a danger to everyone on the road. And sometimes to people 20 feet above it. A pedestrian bridge is supposed to be the safe way to cross. Not when a dump trucker in a dump truck barrels in with his bed fully raised. Two people never see it coming. A third does, but it's too late to run. All three are trapped in a cage of mangled steel. Incredibly, it's that same metal framing that saves their lives. When they say walking is good for your health, they didn't take into account idiots like this.